name is Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Toulmin Model. After watching this video, I hope you gain a better understanding of the Toulmin Model and its structure, as well as how to use it in your daily life. To start us off, let's define the term. The Toulmin Model is a communication tool used by speakers in order to test how valid their argument is. And an argument is often used when someone in the audience doesn't agree with the subject or topic that the person is talking about. The Toulmin Model consists of 6 different steps. And these steps, along with more information about public communication, can be found in this book, which is entitled Thinking Through Communication, and it's written by Trenholm. The first step of the Toulmin Model is called claim, and this is what the speaker is trying to prove. The second step is called data. This is the evidence that the speaker provides. The third step in the Toulmin Model is the warrant, and this is why the speaker supports the claim. Our fourth factor is called the backing, and this basically just supports the warrant. Next up, we have our fifth factor, and this is called a qualifier. And a qualifier is terms such as always or probably that add strength to your claim. And finally, our sixth factor, which is the rebuttal. And the rebuttal is a list of situations in which our claim is not true. And this is used when the audience does not agree with the topic that the speaker is talking about. Now that we have a better understanding of the model, as well as how it's structured, let's get into how it works. The first thing that a speaker has to understand is that not all steps of the Toulmin Model have to be verbally expressed. I'll use an example of a police officer pulling over someone for a red light as an example. The police officer's claim would be, "You ran a red light." And of course, the data support it would say, "I watched you run the red light." In this situation, the usage of a warrant, backing, qualifier, and rebuttal is not needed, because everyone in society knows that it's illegal to run a red light, and there's no need for contradiction. Relating that to the Toulmin Model, a speaker has to understand how much or how little information they have to share. In order to figure this out, they have to think about every possible conclusion that an audience member can come up with. The Toulmin Model allows the speaker to break down every aspect of their argument. That way, the audience will have a clear understanding of what the speaker is trying to say. The Toulmin Model is a great tool to use when you're trying to create an argument. Sometimes arguments can be vague, and some of the information is skipped. By following the steps in the model, a speaker is able to understand every aspect of their argument. I hope that by watching this video, you have a better understanding of the Toulmin Model and how to use it. Thank you so much for watching.